Here, I'll show you how to record games like this one on your PC with a popular free software called OBS Studio. First, find it on Google by typing download OBS. Press enter and click on this first link. Press this button to download the installer for OBS. Launch the installer and go through the installation process. Every default setting should be fine for now, so no need to change anything. Once installation is finished, launch OBS and you'll be greeted by this auto configuration wizard window. Here you'll want to tell your program what you'll be using OBS for. Since we'll only be using it to record stuff, you can choose the second option. For video settings, you can leave this by default and move on. Review your settings and click on Apply Settings to proceed. Go to this Settings button and click on it. Go to Output and take note of the recording path. This is where your videos will be stored. You can change it by clicking on Browse, but for our purposes, this location should be enough. While you're here, you can also change the format of your recorded videos from MKV to MP4. MP4 is a much popular format and is more supported by every video editing software out there. Launch a game you want to record. I will be recording this game as an example. Go to OBS and head over to this plus icon and click on it. Select Game Capture and fill these up. Once you're done, press OK. You can mostly leave these settings by default, but I want to make sure that OBS only records the game, so I will go here and switch it from Capture Any Full Screen Application to Capture a specific window. Here, select your game. You should be able to easily spot it because of the name. There are plenty more settings below that you can mess with, but it's okay to leave everything on the default settings for now, so go ahead and press the OK button. The game should be displayed on the preview window now. If your game isn't properly sized to the screen like mine is, you can change it like how I'm doing it on screen right now. Now that everything is set, you can now press Start Recording and begin to play your game. Once you're done recording, you can press the Stop Recording button. Your video will now be saved to the recording path I had you remember earlier. And that is how you can record games using OBS. Also, here's a bunch of gaming intro templates free for you to use. Click on the video on the screen and thanks for watching.